Hey everyone, in this video we'll be discussing the multiple membership type of a funnel. Basically it is basically the same as the previous video, so please check it out if you haven't, because we discuss everything about membership type of funnels and membership functionality in that video. This is just an addition on how to sell multiple basically memberships in one funnel instead of selling one big one purchase with access to all the videos. In this one we can separate into different courses basically, which you can purchase individually and get access. So without further ado, let's dive deep into how to create that. So this is the previous funnel that we've created about one basically membership with access to membership area with different videos, sections, etc. So again, check that out if you haven't yet. And let's create, actually you can do an addition here to this funnel, but let's just create a new one for this example. Let's go into the funnels, create a funnel, and we have different examples of such type of a funnel, and this is one of those. That's this course funnel. And we can select it, add some name to it, let's say membership with multi-products, and click on save. Yeah, so basically here we can now start editing our page and funnel and modify all the different areas that we may have. In this case, we have get access to all the courses for X amount. So you can put it on the top, on the bottom, however you want to structure as your content. That's entirely up to you. This is just how this funnel is set up, but you can modify it, of course, and you can move it. You can put it at the bottom. You can do it the way you want. Now, here we have individual courses. So this is the idea behind this funnel, is to show how you can sell access to individual courses. Now, each course can have one video or multiple videos, or it can be not videos at all, maybe something else that you can give access to. But for the example, let's keep the marketing with, let's say, 10 videos, the design with just, let's say, one video, just to show how we can do that. And click on Save Changes. Now, in order to start selling these products, obviously we have to create them, but we have to create the groups for each one of those. But again, before even doing that, we have to set up the membership access for each one. So where we'll put each individual who purchase, let's say, the membership, where these 10 videos they'll be able to see. So we can go to the funnel settings. We can create a new section. Let's call it marketing in this case, marketing videos, and we can start building our first pages, part of the membership area for the marketing videos. So we can create maybe something like this, where we have the marketing course 1, and we can have like this all the marketing courses that we can link and have it like maybe we can delete that and have all the 10 videos, let's say videos being linked here, and have a video and some call to action and whatever for this course. And make sure that you make the column, of course, a global one. Let's go with marketing navigation, and basically you can start editing this page, have the global column, so whenever you change it on any of the pages that you clone, it will all replicate on all the different places that this global column is being used. So we can now duplicate this one and create many different course pages for the marketing. So we can restrict access later on for that videos. Now, if you want to create a membership area for the design, which was one video, we can just create again a page like this, where maybe something like this. Let's go with design, and if you have a specifically just one video or one article or whatever with that video about that course, you can just call it, let's say, design course, and that can have all the information that people can purchase with some other things that they can download or something like this. So of course this is fully modifiable, and you can do it the way you want. Now we created let's say memberships for the marketing and membership pages for the marketing and for the design, and obviously we have to link this like we said, these products to be able to be purchased. So we have to create the groups to which we'll be assigning the marketing and the design. So we can go to engage, and in the membership area, add group, and let's call it marketing. The first group where we'll be assigning people to that group, the marketing group, when somebody purchases the marketing product, and the design, when somebody purchases the design. Now, don't forget that we have to link the first page where we want to send the users. So click on the redirect, the funnel in this case, and select the marketing course 1. This is basically where we want to send them after they get access. Same for the design, but in this case we'll select their page, which would be the design. And if we have multiple different types of courses, we just create a group for each one and we link to their page of the course or of the dashboard with all the videos that you have inside. So now what is left is to create a store product. Basically, we have to sell these memberships, so we have to create a new product of a membership type of kind, and let's call it marketing. Let's call it marketing course. Select the marketing, so whoever purchases the marketing course will get access to the marketing section. Let's call it, let's say, $99. Select one category. You can make it a subscription if you wish. If not, just leave it with one-time payment. Click on save. And for the design now, let's call it design. Select the design group. So basically, whoever purchased this will be assigned to the design membership group. And let's say that it's only $19 because it's just one video. Or yeah, just for the sake of the example. And click on save. And that's it. Now we can start selling these products that we've just created in our page. And when we have a multiple product, we do it basically with add to cart. So now we can select what kind of a product we want to add to cart when they click on this button. So click on the link building, so you can select what link will be connected to this button. Go to store, and from the all products, select the marketing course. So basically, whoever clicks on the button will add, will obviously have to select the action. We have an add to cart of this product. And you have the option to do another option after that. So here you can do an upsell, for example, to open a pop-up with another course, or you can just go to the checkout right away. So basically it's just buy now type of a thing. So anyways, we can just click on select now, and that's it. We can do that the same thing for this one. Click on store, select the design, and as action have add to cart. Now, until we're here, let's do an upsell. For example, why not? Let's say that when you buy the marketing, you have the design as an upsell. How do we do that? We go to pages, create a new pop-up, and we have the products here. We have already made a design for that, so you don't have to build, design for a pop-up. All we have to do is just change some text, for example, and so on. Or the image, of course, if it's some kind of a product. So this button can just add to cart as well. Let's say the design too. So basically that will be an upsell that allows you to do to buy the marketing and upsell you on the design as well. No matter that we have it here, it's just an example of how it works. So basically for this one we can do this. We can have not do nothing but show a pop-up that we just created, which would be the bottom pop-up that we forgot to add any name. So yeah, doesn't matter. And click on save. So yeah, this is it. This is how easy it was to set up your products, basically your groups, your membership area here with these options, and to have the links of add to cart so you can purchase multiple different products inside your funnel. So now let's preview and see how the whole flow is going. But before we do that, let's not forget that we have to check out the checkout page. And actually the checkout page has to be something like this, where you don't have information really about the different courses, but because you don't know what kind of a course they'll be buying. That's why the checkout doesn't have any predefined product. When you go into the products page, into the product setting of the checkout, you'll see that you have two options. Product select, so this predefines what kind of a product you'll be buying, when you get into that page, or cart checkout. So whatever products you have into the cart, you'll be purchasing on this step. And that's why, because we don't know what we will have in the cart, we have it as cart checkout, and people can purchase that. Let's click on save, and let's go to our first page. So now let's preview and see the whole flow. And before that, let's copy our temporary email address to see what kind of emails we'll be getting. And let's actually delete this one and generate a new one. Okay, copy, and let's go. Let's preview our funnel from the preview button, and we can see now information about our courses, and we can see the individual courses that we can purchase. So let's click on this one, and we add it to cart, and as you can see, we have the pop-up for the upsell right away, which we can again click to add to cart as well, or we can skip by clicking the X. So we have the design course as well, so we can click on that, and we added it again into our cart. Now if we go to the next step, so basically by clicking on check now, we'll go into our option to purchase the product that we just the products that we just added to our cart. So now let's add some name to it. Let's an email, password of some sort, because these are membership products, and add some information here. We can now purchase the whole thing. And as you can see, we have the marketing course and the design course as part of our checkout that we just created, and complete our order. Now, obviously, it will be sent into our thank you page, and from there, the only way to get access right now, in this case, is for people to check their email. So you can say, check your email to get access to your membership. So if they go into their email, they will see that we have a complete order for all the products that they're selling. You can see the billing information in invoices, and then you have the membership details with access to the membership access. So basically the different places that they get access to. So this is how simple it is to have the whole thing. So basically if they click here, they'll go to their course, and if they click on the previous one, on the top one, they'll go to the other place where they can see the other courses. So this is why it is important when you're building your membership group to give a link into each one, so that people can access their membership membership content. And as you can see, we have here the user that we just created by making a purchase, and you can see that they have access to the marketing and to the design. Now this way, again, you can create different courses that people can add to cart and purchase. If you're going to be building a product that has all the different courses, for example like a bundle for a discounted price, which is for me is recommended way to capitalize of such users who want to get access to all of that, like a combo, you just create a product here in the store again, and you just have an add to cart for a membership, and you just select all the different groups that you want to give access by purchasing that product. So you don't have to select just one, but select all the ones that you want to give access to. Now, something that cool that we can actually add to our funnel in this case is on the thank you page. We might not want to give them, so we can actually have a link that will show all the different memberships that we have. So you can add a button there instead of having to just check out your email. You can actually, because they're already logged in, there is a way for them to see access to all of their videos, memberships really fast and quick. So we can just add a button. Let's call it show me my memberships, or go to my memberships. And for a link, we have to add an external link because this is a custom URL that we have part of the whole funnel. It's called memberships. That's our system page that you see about the account of the user, which is called memberships. slash memberships, and yeah, we can save and actually preview the whole thing. If we click on it, oh, actually, well, I guess so member should be the one that we have. Membership should be the, yeah, it's not membership, but it is member. So member/membership is what is our URL. So we can preview our page. When we click on the button, it will go to our membership in the account of the user. So the user can go to their members area and actually to the membership section, and they can see all the different, so if they have like, let's say 10 courses that they've purchased, they can see all the 10 courses with the link to their dashboards. So if we go to the marketing, they can just click here and they can see the marketing section. So yeah, this is how simple it is to modify and create such type of interaction with the system, where people can create different membership area, different membership products, and select what kind of courses they want to buy. Doesn't have to be one for the funnel. They can have different options with different upsells with the add to cart, which is really cool and easy way to sell any type of memberships for your users. And again, you can manage everything from here, and you can see all the emails that they get. It's really fast and really easy to sell this type of memberships. Okay, so this is from this video, and I hope that you enjoyed it, how easy it is to sell multiple memberships in a funnel. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate and let us know.